Yes. Are you audible, all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, today, Fourier series you can revise, you can ask any all doubts in Fourier series to be completed. No? If you have any doubts, you can discuss one by one. Aparna 573 is there.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in there?
No, sir.
No, sir. So, can I ask questions? Yes?
Sir, can I ask a doubt?
Sir.
Tell me. Can I ask questions?
Yes, sir. In the example 27,
What?
in the example 27 of the book that you've sent, there is a problem with this solution. I think I just have to clarify it with you.
You see, don't see that solution. Start to maybe there mistakes, one or two problems, maybe answers mistake you can do yourself. Just you can attachment you can show me in WhatsApp. Actually, I can correct and send you back. But maybe rare cases, one problem, all not that. Maybe one problem, maybe they miss something as n minus one, n plus one. But if you get okay, you can leave it. Otherwise, if you have still doubt, means you can send me that textbook paper and this both you can send me the what you are done, which is correct. I will tell you.
Yeah, okay, sir. It was a simple problem only. Actually, sir, yesterday, because we covered a lot in the half-range sine cos series, we were not able to solve a lot of questions. So
No,
can we
no,
get
I
more?
think at least one problem you can do. Because this month and again the starting cycle is 2. Only 1 month gap only.
Yes, sir. So can we get like one more day to?
2 and 3 units are there, I hope actually there.
Yes, sir.
Second
3 years.
cycle test 3 and you have again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe their plan is not by October, then they actually have the timetable academy you see. Maybe by October something they will complete whole syllabus. But we don't worry, again I am doing simultaneous videos. But already solutions are there. What is the main aim you can see? One by one you can see. If you have any doubt, you can come back. So anytime you can call. Suppose if I am not able to see that time, I will call you back actually. Once if I see anyone, if you ask, don't worry. Guarantee I will call you back in 99%. Yes. Don't worry. Then,
Okay, sir.
Prakash Chaudhary is there. Prakash Chaudhary. Prakash Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Studied everything.
Not everything, but
Up to
yes,
where
sir.
you
I've started.
studied. Up to where you studied, tell me at least what you know in Fourier series. If I ask what question, you can answer.
So just started.
Starting. Okay. Then Fourier series, how can you write? Suppose f of x is defined in 0, 2 pi. How you will write f of x equal to 10? F of x is defined in 0, 2 pi. What is f of x equal to? First, how we will start Fourier series? A naught by 2 sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n x plus b n sin n x. Where what is a naught? What is a naught? Sir, reads are again humble request because fully free for you. Okay, you have classes, I know. That also because the relaxedly can there is no work actually and go to roaming here and there. You can able to do lot of things relaxedly. This night time you can do morning time up to 3 only you have class. After that take 1 hour rest at least. 15 every day what you are taking revise. That is important actually. Then I want to ask. Aparna, you are not turned up.
Sir.
You don't want to tell, lah? Okay. Can you tell me what is the 0 to, suppose I am defining my function minus L to L. Okay, if f of x is even, means who will come? My function is defined minus L to L. F of x is even. Then who will stands there? Who will become 0? Are you there, Aparna?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everything I told you, see. function is defined minus L to L, f of x is even, then who will stand? At least everyone should answer me. If you not answer also, you can respond me. Aparna is present there. That I know actually today I want to do that only. What will happen, Amma? Bn will 0 or not? Say yes or no?
I don't know, sir.
Too much, yeah. Very bad. You don't know what. Okay, I'm telling function is defined minus L comma L. Okay, yeah. F of x is even. Then what will happen? Automatically Bn 0 or not? Say yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then what I am taking very bad here. Getting pain. Really taking class, attending class or not? No sound. Yet actually tiffin or not morning. Now only got up.
No, sir. சாப்பிடல.
ஏன் அவ்வளவு டல்லா பேசுற? சரியாமா? So Bn 0. Adhe, if it is odd function, who will become 0? Tell it fastly. A not A 0 enough. Correct or not? Say yes, correct or not at least.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Into Patel left meeting 58 good. Every day coming, left, coming, left, coming, left, coming, left. Bol City, Rohit Sai Bangaram. Bol City, Sai Bangaram. Where are you? Bangaram. Bol City, Rohit Sai Bangaram. Yeah. Hey, mic is not working. Show you the audio at this video. Video on, yaar. Bandi Vardhan left. Very good. Bol City, are you there? Video also not working, huh? Hey, your mic is working, yaar. Mic is there. Show your face. I want to see your face. No. Then what I want to do? Very bad. Yeah, very good. Sleeping nicely. You're able to see my face. Mic unmute, yaar. Like this. Sunday news like this. You can show like this. Okay. Then. Hemant Nag.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Super. Excellent, sir. Very happy. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Answer if you tell or not doesn't matter. You are responding very good boy. Now you can tell.
Thank you, sir.
What question if I ask, you can give me question and the answer also can give. What I want to ask, tell me.
Sir, actually, I did not, after the class, I did not practice maths, sir. So,
When you will practice, tell me.
Saturday and Sunday, sir.
Sunday people are very busy, you know.
No, sir.
365 days WhatsApp chat and Facebook, Instagram, lot of things are there, you know. Then when you will read, at least you can read this also. Then no question you want to answer now. Correct?
Monday, next class, I'll answer, sir.
No, what you know at least for your series you can tell me.
Right now, I'm not prepared, sir.
Very
Next
good.
time,
Okay.
we'll answer, sir.
Enough. Nice. If you see
Mimalni, the disappoint Jain, sir.
No.
Mimalni disappoint Jain.
Nothing. Prepare, yaar. No problem. I'm asking just actually interaction class only. No, don't worry. Sir, don't feel if you don't answer, you don't feel. Just interaction only. You don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You don't worry. Next class you will read nicely. Don't worry.
Okay.
Just ask me. You know you can tell. Otherwise, no problem. Nobody will remove your head and my head. Just read. Somebody left.
Yes,
Who is that fellow? Sandra Tony left. Very good. This today 1 hour I will do this only. Actually, that Aparna, this Aparna different. Acha, another Aparna I got. Kirti Aparna.
Yes, sir.
Where are you, Kanna? 523. Yes. Studied a Fourier series.
No, sir.
Very bad, yaar. I'm crying here. Nothing you don't know. Formula and integration I can ask. Otherwise, any one integration formula can tell what you know. I don't know. Ask question. Anyone in
English.
Ah, sleeping. Wake up, yaar. Kirti, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm
Tell me, yaar. Sleeping, feeling. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Also, all people sleeping. Very
No,
tired.
sir.
But are you feeling well?
Yes, sir.
One integration you can tell. Sin x integration is what?
Cos x.
Minus.
Sorry. Minus cos x.
Sorry, minus cos x. Just minus cos x.
Minus cos x.
No doubt. Confirm.
No, sir.
E power 3x.
E power 3x.
E power 3x divided by who will come?
By 3.
Very good. Okay. You were so dull, yaar. Actually, briskly can ask what actually. What is there? Is this guy? I don't know. Okay. Thanks, ma'am. What is name? Actually, I am not able to pronounce. I think so. Kinjak Path. Kinjak Path. 37. Kinjak. Where you did go, yaar? Kinjak Path. Not there. 37. Kinjak Path. One time, second time, third time, fourth time. Yes, we can go K series. Koneti Kumar is there. Koneti Kumar. Left switch actually complete the left actually all the computers, video off and mic off and they are going very bad. Kapil Dev Tiwari is there. Aparna K left. Very good. Kartik Menon. What, sir? I will one by one I will call. If you don't tell, I put. And I'm not putting option. That is a bad taking advantage. I don't want to put option. Actually, message. Yeah, he is calling you like this. Aparna has come. Very good. 532. Are you there? Aditya Pandit, कहाँ चली गई? उठ गई. Sir, anyone of you ask doubts, sir? Today question is clean doubt. Yeah. Work Aparna. No problem. You are very good. I know. I'm putting. Seriously, I'm telling. Because of me, don't stay here. Actually, you are reading for yourself, paying so much of money and doing here. Actually, somewhere we are away from the nearly 1,000 kilometers, and something we are doing. At least you can utilize me properly. And that's only actually there is no force to sit and do we are doing. If you come and sit means what it is the useful for you, no doubt. Anyway, I can read means what, but attendance also they are saying because attendance we are not monitoring. This is a link with Academia. My Google Classroom is what both Google Classroom they are taken, they are checking actually. Mudit Beda yesterday. Mudit Beda yesterday is there, I think so. Mudit Beda, where are you? Mudit Beda. Actually, Google attendance giving correct only, but somebody telling is wrong like this. Entering and you are going. Bhavya is there? Bhavya?
Yes, sir.
Good, nice. What question you want? Tell them. Anything you can tell, otherwise in 4 years is something I explained, you know.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what you are teacher, I am student, you can tell me something you can tell. Other you can ask me question. It's a good opportunity. You people can ask me question. Hard function studied, evil function studied, correct?
Yeah, yes, sir. Art function.
Then when you will decide hard function, evil function?
Sir, I didn't get you.
Huh?
I didn't get you, sir.
When you will decide while doing the Fourier series, when you will go for the odd and even, that's how many conditions should be satisfied. It's all you can recall like this. Okay, if I want to do the problem odd and even, what are the
By
materials?
seeing the limit, we have to function. By
Ah.
seeing the function, we have to find it is odd or even.
Function itself enough. Suppose x
By
square.
the limits also.
Both should satisfy only. You can think for the odd and even. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus a to a, minus pi to pi, minus l to n. So
That's
first both if we are satisfied. Even means what will happen? Dn 0. Then you can let 2 by pi like this. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Then we are studying, no problem. Prakash Chaudhary is there. Yeah, good boy, good boy. Talk here. Mic on and off.
Yes, sir.
Chaudhary, baat karo na.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Simply showing mic on and off is how can I do something you can speak out. You can scold me also, no problem. I want to listen your voice. Then what you want? Tell me. Studied up.
Not yet, sir.
What,
Sir,
sir? Very
So I'll
bad.
complete the syllabus before the examination.
Before exam, everyone will complete. Then I will take class before exam one day.
No,
Correct?
no, sir. I'm not saying that.
You have a lot of course, but you can do. I know, but you have to read or not.
Yes, sir.
Because see, that is 12 mark questions and 4 mark questions is what everyone can attempt easily. I can tell that you can read the 4 questions. The MCQ means what you have to very strong in basic, then only you can able to attend the MCQ. If you are able to attend MCQ fully, 25 out of 25 is what you fully, if you have knowledge only you can able to attend, otherwise highly impossible. In entrance exam, those who are passing this is not a joke. They have a full knowledge, in depth knowledge, they know the subject, whatever may be question, how they are asking, how they appear in the question, they can able to attack only, they can clear the exams. Entrance exam, how they are doing this part. The deep knowledge of subject only can able to, but our MCQ in classroom are different actually. You will symbol like this, you will show B means what, you will symbol give a cough means C. That thing you will keep it people actually. You will cut the MCQ super marks and long marks you don't get. But actually, if you speak really, if you write MCQ nicely, means what? You become the master in the subject. MCQ is not a joke. Seeing the MCQ, you have to decide. Okay, yeah. Correct, sir? Read, sir, no problem. Okay? But Chaudhary, attending classes really or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Then Ankit Shah. अंकित शाह कहाँ चल गए? प्रचित बालाजी, are you there? Ask sir, any one of you doubt, you can confuse me, make me confused.
Yes, sir.
Now only they got it. Where are you? Roaming here and there, no?
No, sir, I'm here.
Any doubts?
No, sir, not yet.
You will study, sir. Not studied, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ayush Anand. Hey, that boy, where is that one boy I need? Yeah. I want to catch him. Where is the thing? Correct. Yeah, our friend. Hey, Pushpal Das, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Nice guy. Yeah, tell me, yeah. Studied or
What
not?
will I tell?
Not will.
Sir, honestly, no, sir. I haven't studied, sir.
What? No, not understanding. What happened?
No, sir. Nothing happened, sir.
Hey, something you said, yeah.
No, sir. I didn't say anything.
Now your network is okay, yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, all I told that honestly, sir, I'm telling that I haven't studied.
No.
Honest guy, sir. Very
But
honest.
see, our video become viral, yeah. Our video, our CT1 become actually so many views got.
Yes, sir. I can understand.
That's only. Okay, but not at the device. Very bad, yeah.
Sir, I need not do any tens because I have my sir's YouTube channel, so anytime I can turn it on.
Not like this. Yeah, if I ask question, you have to do. I'm not doing any videos now. I also become lazy fellow like you people.
So, but So, but your YouTube channel was dope, sir.
No. But you can read and answer. Okay, yeah. But next time you are writing cycle test properly.
Yes, sure, sir.
No fight. Mudit bhai. Mudit bhai. Sir, I'm showing nearly 120 members are there. Nobody responding. What they will do?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yesterday what happened, Ji? Kahan chal gayi?
I was there in the class, sir.
Yesterday you got absent, yaar. Checked or not?
No, sir, I didn't, sir. I was there in the class, sir.
No. I put it absent, but you are not asking me. At least you should fight with me, no? Sir, how dare you will put me absent like this?
I didn't know yet, sir.
You didn't get any message, huh?
No, sir.
Hey, you will get here. Your father number also with you, miss. Just jara dekho na. Message is got.
My number only. I didn't get any message.
Yesterday you are there, actually. I put option actually. Fully rose color we got it. For you and another 2 people I put option. Ram, you are there really?
Yes, sir.
What I completed, can you tell yesterday? Give me proof. I will give the attendance. Today I will change your attendance. Send WhatsApp message to your friend, yeah. Those who attended, say, yeah, tell me what is it. Yeah. How can I identify what you are doing? Tell. Just send the message.
Yes, sir.
In group, we can put, hey, yesterday what is taken mass, give me MS, so many things you will get automatically. Tell me what is there.
Following that only.
Got it a message?
Yes, sir.
But did you ask me why did you put the option like no, not required? Recklessness.
No, sir. No, sir. I didn't really, sir. I didn't get the message, sir.
You can check actually, you got answered option. Tell me fastly. I can change today. If you are really there, I will change. Otherwise, no.
Yes, sir.
Check and tell me, okay, yeah. Otherwise, you will get 1 day absent.
Yes, sir. I'll check, sir.
Vishal Kumar. Who is Vishal Kumar? Okay. See, in Fourier series, just you can close your eyes and also you can read, but you have to find texted you doubt. Who is that? La. Sir, when we have a deduce the value of variance is why use this substitution? I am not able to. See, when you will have a, who is this guy? Vaibhava. See, when we have a deduction means what? Hence deduce that 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square, 1 by 4 square, 1 by 5 square means what? You can go for the X, that is what convergence. You can see this, maybe this infinite series converges to what? 5 square by 8, 5 by 4 like this. For that, suppose single interval means what you are doing? F of 0, F of 2 pi by 2. This you are substituting in question. In answer, either you can substituting F of 0 or F of 2 pi. Sometimes they may ask 2 questions. Sometimes seeing the question, you can decide one problem, you can actually extend limits to them. In between X is equal to pi by 2 I put. Because that means what 2 answers I have to get, I am doing. So such a rare case only. Otherwise, this is 16.7. Otherwise, 2 interval means how you will do F 0 less than X less than pi. This minus pi to this one less than. No. Minus pi less than X less than 0. 0 less than pi means we take one problem X and sin X. Then F of 0 plus 0, F of 0 minus 0 also be done. Even function options, so like this 2 functions, so we done 1 plus 2x by pi, 1 minus 2x by L.
Excuse me, sir. So your voice is cracking a lot, sir.
My voice,
Yeah, seriously, it's cracking. Can you fix that? Yeah, it's not audible at all. We're not able to reduce what you're saying.
Now everything now what can you do? Okay, yeah. Now okay. Then you can do like this.
So it's a lot of disturbance.
Lot of distance. For me, no distance. Fan is I want to put up fan.
So it's actually your voice is breaking a lot.
I'm not talking anything. Now, okay.
No, sir, still not audible.
I'm not talking. Okay. Right. See, then you can do, suppose pi means what? You can use cos nx, sin nx. L means what? N pi x by L. Half range means what? 2 by L. Either 1 by L or 2 by L.
Sir, it's breaking, sir.
Yes. Hello. Hello. Okay. Okay. Ready? Ready?
So you've joined through two IDs, so your voice is echoing, sir. Either leave from one.
Oh. Oh. Hello. Hello. Audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's fine.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Hello. Audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Audible.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Hello. Audible. Okay. Right. Then, so that is 0 to 2 pi r minus pi 2 pi r 0 to pi also you will get maybe when starting the problem 2 by pi you will get or 1 by pi or cos nx sin nx. Similarly 0 to L or minus L to L or 0 to 2L you will get cos n pi x by L sin n pi x by L. F of x you can write a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to running from 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by L b n sin n pi x by L. Then even odd function means what? Even means what? A naught a n will equal to b n 0 provided you can see the function and you can see the limits also. Both are satisfied means you can go for even odd. Similarly, odd function means what? Only b n alone stands. A naught a n become vanish. Then this is one side story. Another side story is what? Half range cosine, if they ask means what? You don't worry about Bn, you don't mention the Bn is equal to 0. You don't mention the Bn is equal to 0. Then what? A not A n you can write. Even not only you can write. Right. Then similarly, if they ask actually half range sine series means what? You can do the Bn alone. You don't worry about A not An. You never mention A not is equal to 0, An equal. They will mention 100% find the sine series half range. Find the half range cosine series. Then immediately how can you write 2 by pi? Already I told you how to write either 2 by pi or 1 by pi means what? Upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2, make it reciprocal. You don't worry about whether it is 2 by pi or 1 by pi. 1 by pi means full range, 2 by pi means half range. Half range means guarantee they will tell. Okay, guarantee they will tell half range sine series, half range cosine series. You don't worry, automatically we get 2 by pi. Then very important question, Parseval's identity. Parseval's identity means what? I told you Parseval's identity for x cosine series is given answer. That problem already previously we did cosine series for x. So you should do what is x, a naught and an. Then Parseval's identity what you will get? That is 1 by L minus L to L f of x whole square. This you can integrate, limit supply, and you can keep LHS. RHS what you will get? A naught square by 2 plus an square. Already an you will get, make it square. When you will get Parseval's identity 1 by 1 power 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 to the power of 4 means you can think like a Parseval's identity. They mention or not, hence reduce a loss. In this only two important questions is what? Pi to the power of 4 by 95, pi to the power of 4 by 90. X square means what? X square is telling minus pi to pi. Looking the function you will decide this is the even function. So I will go for the what? I will go for the a naught and an known. I will find Bn is equal to 0 by using Parseval's identity. What I will get? 2 by n, 0 to n, f of x whole square is equal to a naught square by 2 plus n is equal to 1 to infinity a n square. That problem maybe will get pi to the power 4 by 95. Very important. Then next is what? Harmonic analysis. From Parseval's identity, harmonic analysis is very important. Harmonic analysis is what? Numerical sum. Finding the numerical sum. Actually, they will look up to now we discussed the continuous functions. There is what discrete, particular point, particular value, particular point, particular value is how to find the harmonic analysis, the Fourier series in discrete functions. The finding the numerical sum is called this. Then what you will do? They will do x value, they will do y value. A naught is equal to what? 2 into sigma y, average of this. Suppose while doing the harmonic series, we can see the first function and last function. This is the revision method. You don't know subject, you don't know the problem, but if you on the switch, this unit name, if you recall means what is inside that unit fully, that you can recall at least. Okay, this is the first, this comes with this formula, this is the skeleton of the unit. Once if you know the skeleton of the unit means what, go inside it, you can see one problem. Okay, half range means how to do, which problem you said important, that problem, or cosine means what, sine means Parseval's identity is telling always pi to the power 4 by 90, pi to the power 4 by 96 like this. So that you can do one by one. First what you will do, skeleton you can see. If you recall the heading of the unit means what, that unit contains what. Then what I want to do, what is available in my hand. These all are, if you know means what, you become master in the subject, no doubt. If you while reading the problem only you can pick, okay, if this data is given, this formula I want to use, I will get this in between some things I want to prepare. I told you one problem, very good problem actually. Px plus qy is equal to 1 plus p square plus q square, very good. X square plus y square plus z square will be a square, you got it, no? Very good problem. Like this, some topics are actually, I don't think xyz into x square plus y square plus z square, 2 times it will come, and so I told you. In Lagrange's also you will get actually x into z minus y into p, px into y minus z, qy into z. That only they got assignment, so many got doubts actually. They are given plus actually, that question assignment minus. Px into y minus z, qy into z minus x, then z is equal to a, b, c, z in z, x minus y into in cyclic order you will get. So answer is what? X, y, z, comma, x square plus y square plus z square. That 3 times you will get that question continuously in different. After they will do, they will ask question. So now up to where we got Acha. This Fourier series. No, harmonic analysis. While doing the harmonic analysis, what you will do? See the first value, last value. 0, 2 pi. 0 also 1.4 is a problem. 2 pi also 1.4. While doing the problem, I will leave actually. They given 7 values means what? Don't divide by 7. How many intervals you can see? 7 values means what? I will get 2 intervals. Suppose if 2 people stands here means what? In between what I will get? 1 interval I will get. This 2 and 1 interval I will get. Then third fellow comes means what? 3 people means what? I will get 2 intervals. I need, so 7 means what? 6 intervals. So first problem what you will do? Sigma y by 6 you can use. That example problems are very, very important. Then that theta is equal to t by 6 I given, 2 by t by some 6. That problems are very important. They may ask, because MCQ, they may ask problems actually. Define the harmonic series. Is a sum of numerical sum, finding the numerical sum. But that one word will do the previous problem, 2 marks question actually. Now MCQ, this. That MCQ also already I have sent you for everyone, all units are first unit only I sent you. You have MCQ questions, all units are only first unit.
All units, all units.
All of you there or not?
Sir, all units.
Hello? Am I sent you all of you MCQ questions? All units are only particularly first unit I sent you. All units you got it. Viber Singh. Very good. Then you can read one by one. If I this actually practice this big problem. So suppose if you turn up there in Chennai, you have to write test here. If you don't turn up, guarantee this should be MCQ. Maybe that pattern is also they are changing actually. In the Anna University, they are now finding new method actually. Artificially using artificial intelligence, they are keeping connected. Suppose if it is success means what our people also use same thing. If you work with another tab also, it will collapse your pattern. So they are using artificial intelligence and they are something they are doing. Anna University, they are starting from 22nd exams for MCQ only. So if it is success means what we have. Or they are doing another private companies also they are talking how to do. So still we don't know. Better you can prepare long questions as well as short questions also. If it's well and good, if you are turn up as well, everybody happy. You can sit and write their exam. If you don't turn up also, if you do the long questions means what, the method is successful means what they may ask long questions also. If it is not means maybe Google Classroom or Empower or something, private companies, there are so many private companies coming in. They are using artificial using they identify your eyebrows also, eyelids also, how it's moving. There's a lot of things they are doing actually in examination itself. If it is success means what they will do that also. You are not able to take second also. Once if you open your question paper only. Like actually GCR, MCQ means what you can able to touch in WhatsApp, you can link actually after that you can ask your friends, you can fill in. Next also you can link with your laptop and WhatsApp and there also you can cut and paste. Lot of things you can able to do now there you can't once if it is success. So carefully you can do lot of things that simultaneously they are also doing. Once if you are able to tell them happy, we are also happy, you are also happy. Correct or not? So harmonic series also you can prepare. Just you can recall this is the 0 to 2 pi means what, minus L to N means what is said in between E8 odd and even E10. Then hence deduce means what, only single interval means what, single point extreme point. Double interval means what, in between you can do f of 0 plus 0, 0 minus 0, E10. Single interval means what, f of 0 plus f of 2 pi by 2 is equal to f of 0 is done. Then even odd function means what is said. Then only half range cosine means what I want to do. Half range cosine means I don't want to mention Bn is equal to 0. Half range sine series means what I don't want to mention A not An is equal to 0. Half range cosine and sine they will mention, you don't worry, 2 by you will get that. Correct or not? Any problem? Tell me, anyone of you say yes? Nobody is there, huh?
Yes, sir. No problem.
Say yes, yes. Yes, sir. My mic not open, Akash. You are saying, but I am not able to listen. What happened? So now you say I am not able to listen. What? Yeah, that you should tell you, no. Yes. Now he says,
Yes, sir.
My woofer and everything okay connected. Speakers all are connected. What happened? Okay. Now you got it or not? So that is the way of studying. So just to recall, this 1 hour as don't feel you are wasted like this. At least go home and at least you can read second unit fully while coming the third class. Next class when we have? Next class when we have? Tomorrow we have class? Chat, at least I'm not able to hearing. Saturday we have class. Correct time? So all of you better you can prepare. Because of you don't prepare. That's one thing I'm frankly telling. You yourself you can prepare. If you have a doubt, you can utilize me. I am here to help you. 24 hours you can utilize me, no problem. So he is asking, so I am preparing, don't feel. You are getting mark, you settle in your life. But you can keep in mind and give. Okay. Then okay, you can leave today. Bye.